These are the door panel pocket fillet panels. They are for the Austin Healey BN4, BN6, BN7 and BT7 models. So that's 106 models and some of the 3000 models. Some cars left the factory without these, some cars left with. We sell them as a separate part to the sort of inner door pocket panels, which we sell as a kit, because all of those cars I've just mentioned had the inner door panel pockets, sort of inners, located inside the actual main door panel opening. Some, not all, would have left with these. These basically sit at the very bottom of that opening. So if you were looking into the car like this and you had the door panel opening here, you got your sort of main inner door panels on the upright there, and they're in two different pieces. This bit here would sit directly below, so it would stop anything literally falling down into the base part of your door. So like I say, we sell them separately because not all cars have them, and so if you're going for exactly original for your car, some people question why we include them in our kit. So we offer them as an optional extra if you so need them. What they are, a millboard panel cut on our CNC machine, so exactly the size that you need it. And they are trimmed all the way around using a high strength contact adhesive in either vinyl or leather. These ones have been done in vinyl, so you get a pair of those.